name is Nobody Asked, and so we're doing nature. That's all I got. So look over there, we got assholes. Okay, so these are elusive assholes. Clearly British. Okay. See that? Look.
What are you doing?
The assholes away with an asshole plunger. So stick this in the assholes and then rip it out.
That's huge compared to them.
That's the point.
It would scare them away before you'd even get close.
Yeah, but when it does hit, it's very effective. Let's do this. Thrust it in and rip it out. Thrust it in, rip it out. Very good, okay. Now, cameraman, why are abortion jokes never funny?
Don't do this.
Because there's no delivery. Okay, let's try some assholes. Not really, because I don't feel like getting sued. See that? Assholes. Don't get fucking license plate.
Pigeons.
Fucking New Yorkers, mate. I fucking hate them.
You kind of live in New York.
I don't live in New York City.
You live in New York. I mean, we kind of.
Also, don't say where we fucking live, dumbass.
That's true.
As far as I know, we're in fucking Ireland or some shit. So the fact that this is clearly not Ireland.
Are we gonna like do
Yeah,
something
let's
besides
make it,
swimming around a stick?
Let's go. What the hell happened to that?
It fell over.
Beach officially closed. No lifeguard on duty. Swimming prohibited. Who cares?
Well, I mean, if you were to drown, then there would be nobody to hear your screams.
Yeah, I'm a good swimmer. Do you remember when I saved your life?
Don't talk about that.
Okay, I won't. But I did save your life.
That's probably true.
Okay, so assholes. So this is how Master does it. He does this.
Wow.
Spreading of the Red Sea.
Welcome.
Incredible.
And there they go.
They're threatened, so don't get shit. There's one over you, just fucking go away. Okay, garbage. What the fuck? Okay, we're doing this. Okay, scrap the nature video. We're doing this now. We're fucking gonna clean the ocean. We're cleaning this beach.
Well, maybe they took it off for a reason.
It's not full.
It's disgusting in there.
That not
Are you done?
License plates. But don't, you probably got that one.
No, I don't.
Okay, so pick up the asshole plunger. Every time we come to the truck is here, we don't have money.
It's not even that warm out.
Yeah,
I'm
wait.
in a jacket.
There's a playground here, and I did not know about this. Fuck.
You did not know that there was a playground?
No.
Ah.
Okay, let's make it more of assholes.
Well, they're kind
Okay,
of
let's
all in
go.
the water.
Yeah, I'm in the water. My handy dandy asshole plunger. See what I did there? I split the asshole sea.
I don't think.
Don't get hit by it.
I'm holding on to the back of it so that I don't. I'm still gonna hold on to it. Unless you don't want me to. Okay, I'll let go.
Oh, what thou, my good man? I think we're too far in the water to care. Go back to Britain, you fucking asshole! They're assholes. Fuck off, will ya? I'm gonna throw a rock in your general direction. Wanna throw a rock also?
Let's see if it splashes.
This is one splash! It's nature. That was a bad throw, okay. Let's throw a couple now.
Don't actually hit them though, because then you'd be hurting them.
I would not actually hit them. That would be very bad. You want to throw something, cameraman?
Sure.
I'll hold this.
No. Stone.
Throw it.
That wasn't bad.
Okay, I'm gonna throw this one. After you just throw that. Want me to throw this or do you want to throw that first?
You can throw yours.
Okay. That was a really bad throw. I threw down.
Another stone.
Throw it. Who cares? For my
They've
scuff
been
throw.
disturbed.
Yes, I have. Yes, very good. Okay. Let's get it nice and wet. It's wet. Bro, why is the asshole plunger so wet?
Because you just put it in the
It
water.
does this too much, bro. It gets super wet, and then I have to.
That's because you put it
and
in
I have
the
to-
water.
And I have to dry it on something. I have to stick it in and rip it out.
But you put it in the water. That's why it's dry. I mean wet.
You clearly don't get what I'm trying to do here. Okay. Play in the water now.
A piece of your plunger just landed all the way over there. Also, the birds are migrating.
I'm gonna hit the water one. Maybe one more time. Okay, let's go. Let's get some more asshole birds.
They've kind of all
the thing is
migrated over
the
there.
asshole plunger is so hard and wet.
That's because you just put it in the water. And
Yep.
you broke all the little sticks off.
Let's go. Oh yeah, cameraman. I forgot to tell you. I made a bet with someone.
Oh.
And if I get 20 subscribers by May 5th, and about 7 of them are from one man that made the bet with me. At 100 subscribers, I'm throwing you in the water instead of 500. So, just telling you, if I get 20 and 7 of those people are proven to be from that one guy, I think you know who it is. Yeah. You're gonna get thrown in the water when I get 100 subscribers, so probably never gonna get thrown in the water anyways.
That's a relief.
Yeah. Especially if I get to 100 subscribers, I think does that.
Well, then I'm gonna get wet
Yeah, you are.
in that water.
Wearing baby shoes and yeah, I made this bet thinking that it would never happen, but anyways.
Well, we have arrived to the migrating zone.
I just did this for like fucking 100 feet.
There's some. Oh, you scared away the little birds. Look, there they go.
Bro, this asshole plunger is so hard and so wet.
It's because you just stuck it in the water.
You clearly don't get what I'm trying to do, so amazing. You are so fucking innocent.
Look at all those tiny birds.
Don't worry, cameraman. I'll tell you what I'm doing here.
Don't.
After the video. Okay. Well, I think
Look at all the
that's it
tiny
for
birds.
Bullet Splash Nature Edition.
They've come back. We should back off.